This recipe is almost 50 years old and was a hit in the 70s and 80s. In a bowl, I'll start by adding 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix well, and set aside. Then, in another bowl, I'll add 1½ cups of warm water, ½ tablespoon of sugar, 10 grams of organic yeast, mix well, and leave to rest for 5 minutes. After this time, I'll add this mixture to the flour with the salt and mix to combine. When I can no longer mix it with a spoon, I'll add 1/4 cup of oil and mix it with my hands until it looks like this. And that's the ideal point. I'll cover the bowl and let the dough rise for an hour. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'll add chopped parsley, 5 garlic cloves, 40 grams of Parmesan, 1/4 cup of oil, 75 grams of melted butter, and mix well. Once the dough has risen, we'll move on to the table. To do this, I'll coat the table with oil and place the dough on it. And we're going to divide it into 16 parts. I'll coat each piece in the butter sauce we've prepared and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Once I've put all the pieces in, I'll add Parmesan on top of everything. And I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. That's the ideal point. Serve this cream with the baked bread. Enjoy your meal.